Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come on really quickly and show you guys the hairstyle I've been rocking during this pandemic. I did knotless braids on myself about 3 weeks ago and they have been so beneficial to me. I don't know if you are anything like me, but I don't feel like doing my hair every day, especially when I'm stuck at home most days. So if you want to see how I did this hairstyle, just keep watching. So I took down one of my braids so I could show you guys how to do this. You want to start with freshly washed, blown out hair. That's the best way to start this process. And the hair that I used is Janet Collection. It's the triple pack of pre-stretched hair. And I'll link it down in my description box. So if you want to know what hair I use, just look down in the description box. It looks something like this. It comes in 3 bundles in 1 pack. And what I like to do before I start the braid is separate the hair out. I don't want the braids to be too big, so I need about 3 to 4 sections about this width. And I'm just going to lay it across my sink. Those 3 to 4 sections. I kind of like to just judge as I go along whether I need 3 or 4 sections. Now that I have my 3 or 4 sections measured out, I'm going to take some Cantu edge control and put it all around the perimeter of this section. Now, I'm all about edges. I love to lay down my edges and just do different designs. So I like to leave a little hair out in the front. But if that's not your thing, feel free to just push those edges back into the braid. So I'm going to split this section into 3 and start braiding my own hair. Alright, we have 3 sections. I'm going to pick up my first piece of hair and put it on the first and the third sections. Leave the middle open. Alright. Now my hair is in this third section over here. And the braiding hair is in the first and the second section. So I'm going to make sure that I add the braiding hair to the third section where my hair is. Alright, and keep going. Then add another piece of braiding hair. This should be enough for right now. And just grab edge control as I go to smooth out the braid. Now I'm going to add my last section in here. And braid all the way to the end. Okay, let's try this again. I'm going to start off by braiding my hair. sections. Add my first piece of braid in here to the first and the third sections and braid. Alright, my hair is in one section, the braiding hair is in one section. Actually, it's in two sections, the middle and the first section. Then take another piece of braid here and put it in the first and the third sections. Braid some more. And I can use some edge control to help smooth the hair. Now I feel like this section needs a little more hair, so I'm gonna stop. Actually, I feel like these two sections need a little extra hair. You can see that they're a little thinner. So that's where I'm gonna put my next piece of braid in here. On the third and the first section. And braid some more. I'm just gonna braid it all the way down to the end, smoothing it with edge control. So it's getting a little bit too thin for my liking, so I'm gonna add one more piece of hair. First and third sections like I have been doing, and we'll keep on braiding. So this is how they're looking so far, and they naturally taper at the end because this is pre-stretched hair. So I'm going to take some other braids and braid the ends together because see, I want it to be wavy on the end. That's just the look I'm going for, so. So it should look something like this. So I'm going to take some boiling hot water and dip the ends in it for about 30 seconds. Now that the braid has cooled off, I'm going to unbraid it. Don't worry about the ends, we're going to clip those off in just a sec. Take my scissors and clip off the ends. That is it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.